way we are done. Good morning everybody, I hope you're having a lovely day. Why don't you squish your shoulders with us? So we all took ballet, me, Jess and Eric. Went to Kenny Larson.
Yeah, it was fine, it was fun, it was good.
Now we're gonna do modern.
Got my brain all shook up, but I did.
Right? Leaving crackers. Look who's here. Hello. We're all taking Cunningham. What? Yeah. Exciting. We did it. 2 classes. Well, I did 2. Jess did 2. Eric did 2. Jess is now on the floor. Rachel has done some hardcore banding.
Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on.
So, half of a ballet class and the whole Cunningham class. Revolutionary morning.
Lunchtime. We're going up to the roof. I'll show you on the roof. It'll look much prettier in the sunshine. So nice.
This is
Look Eric. Look how cool.
This is super cool.
Isn't that amazing?
Wow, and the view of the city.
Right?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
It feels so good. Flowers.
But it's officially.
Isn't it lovely? Oh, it's so bright. We've had a really nice time up here on the roof. We had the most amazing lunch and we've been working. Found a plug socket, that's exciting. That means I can charge my computer. Oh.
No, I'm too cold, I have to go.
I know, it's chilly.
But you look good in that sweater, you really do.
You're going to come back with the sunset.
You matched the wood.
I like it. How was your day, Eric?
Lovely.
We're in bed. So don't be a part 11.
Buy me a brand new uniform because.
Night, night, says Ducky. Night, night. Sweet dreams.
This the artist, you know, Crystal.
Yeah.
He made a 2-mile long orange golden carpet across the lake.
Wow.
Into that castle. Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
In Switzerland.
Wow.
Little